Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can find cash buyers on Zillow. Now, for example, here I'm already on Zillow here, right? And the way we can find a cash buyer, for example, here I have this mansion here for about $3 million, right? The best way you can find a cash buyer is that you will have to contact the real estate agent by yourself, right? And well, of course, when you contact them, you'll give them your name, your phone, your email, your message, ask what they want. But sometimes these contact listing thing doesn't really work, right? Sometimes the real estate agent doesn't check, or sometimes they're just busy and you need to do other means, right? But you can find more info here on Zillow.com. Like, for example, there's the price history here and the public tax history, and also the monthly cost calculator as well to kind of deduct could this be a cash buyer or not. But for example, if you can't contact them here, there is a way to contact them in other means. Now, there is a gig called skip trace, right? Skip tracing is basically you're gonna find and contact someone on who's selling property from public records. And because it's from public records, this is legal, right? This is not illegal or this is not doxing or anything like that. This is completely legal. And because of skip tracing, you'll get a lot of infos of the real estate agent, like their phone number, their email, their home address, things like that. And because of skip tracing, because if you can't contact them on this contact listing, because of skip tracing, you can contact them in a more direct and personal way. If you enjoyed this video, please do consider liking and subscribing.